A deeply alarming incident of violence and unauthorized entry occurred today at the Khumulwng PTI College campus, where 3 individuals allegedly entered the premises without permission and attacked female students with a knife. According to the victims, the 3 assailants arrived on a black vehicle and were reportedly wearing helmets and masks, obscuring their identities. The group suddenly entered the campus and began chasing students, threatening them with a knife and explicitly stating they would take their lives. One of the perpetrators has been identified as James Tebarma, while the identities of his 2 associates remain unknown. The parents of the affected students immediately lodged a formal complaint at the Radhapur police station against James Tebarma and his accomplices. The police have registered the case and launched a thorough investigation to track down the 2 unknown assailants and determine the motive behind the violent attack.
Tini je oro student rok samani oro je borok no refrik pani hini khorok nei je bumung kaijak mani James tai motom nei borok no kai bom hai khajang sa
to sumang kha erbo sum bisingo ta tamrong khajak kom sum nai.
The PTI College principal strongly condemned the serious breach of security and the attack on the students while addressing the media. The principal demanded strict action against the perpetrators to ensure the safety of the campus community.
Basically, ang to actually tini fungo, Chini director ito samun dong thangman. Kay angar thang pruno, aro thang ati eroda solis ong na, anaro korupsa student pun kaya. Chin college on dia hai barang thangman. Kaya outside rock Chin college on kapai kan. Kaya bune, orang kaya untuk dijadi khalai to hai. Kalau ang kanakai no faculty no pun kaya. Kalau kan faculty no pun kaya, kaya kuasun faculty no pun kaya. Kaya mana lawan baru sahaja jam malam ni saya mana itu awak itu awak actually tadi Chini session exam start aja. Kaya awak pada baru kanakai no lawan baru tangkai ini sah. Kaya awak pada kaya anggo lawan awak kaya aro itu mahal kanakai no. Kaya high shop kaya angaro tangkai fighter no sama lawan no. Radhapur Khumulwng Sino pun kerja, kerja mahal itu kan, kita ni polis deploy jadi, kalau pun problem dan itu apa, hang naik lagi. Dan in the meantime, saya pun shop kerja, saya shop kerja kan, nuk kerja norok, already orang shop kerja ni, student ni guardian, soal norok itu shop kerja ni muka, gay polis shop kerja, polis saya pun tahu, to ani jata khlai thai abo ang khlai nai mane college bisingo Chini college premises bisingo unauthorized access unauthorized trespass kai je borok thai kai abro laigi phaiman kam kai without permission unauthorized borok trespass ka Chini college premises awon bage ang kaisa police ni aro dal dine tei o incident no detail investigation khlai abo nai inquiry khlai amana solution khilai pura kaisa report hinate ang kaisa korma tunai abo kai abo police ni abo thangsen abo basically abo
sir o incident ki boba haike mane boma hai borok ni yago boma hai mani rok tong ba bom tui tam kha khaija ka ba kisa detail society kana ga
look phaya sabia je কয়েকজন স্টুডেন্ট রক যারা লোক লিখে তো সব বড় ইয়াগো চাপড় দারো তাম তো কমনে বাক্সাবো সব খরচানি ইয়াগো বাক্সাবো সব খরচ নেবা বলে আমরা সাইডে তাবো পুলিশ নমাইনি
যে
সিকিউরিটি খরচা ব লোকমান লগে ন খাক ব থাঙ্কাইনি খানো যে আউটসাইডার হাতমান লগে নখাইনো ব থাঙ্কাইনি খানো
The incident has caused significant panic and tension among students and parents, highlighting concerns about security within the educational institution's premises. Pure report, Chini Khorang.